how to change your Reddit app icon. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Reddit app icon. So the first thing we do is we go to Reddit. You will find this homepage, we don't need it. So we go to the top corner on your avatar, click on your avatar, then go down to settings, and after that click on change app icon. You will find a lot of options. I would choose this one and click save, and okay, now we go, let's check. Oh, I need to refresh, I need to restart. Oh, that's it. As you can see, the icon is changed. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.